Oops, which way is right? Okay, boys and girls, it's Carl Galler from Carl Galler Builds here, finishing up my power pole installation project. It came out really, really well. It's pretty cool the way the thing works, if I can find the key fob. This is the cordless key fob that you keep on your person. Press twice. I'm up on the lift, so I can deploy it all the way. Bring her back up. This is where I installed the pump. I had to move my filter, my cartridge for my gas tank. Rerouted that line, finagled stuff around a little bit. At the same time, I added a dual battery system and a new dual switch because I wanted to have power, plenty of power to power this thing and listen to the radio and stuff like that. I showed you the bracket installation yesterday, or the day before yesterday. This thing is just fantastic. It came out really well. Everything is plumbed up and true and level. I was able to fish the hydraulic lines up into my, underneath of where my live well is, which I'll put that back in there. And just a nice, clean installation. So I'm thrilled with it. Oh yeah, it also has, there's still carnage of me putting stuff back together. I mounted the switch up here at the helm, so there's also, when I'm anchoring, if I'm by myself, I can anchor. Still priming, going through a bunch of primes. There's a priming kind of procedure, but it is working really well. Anyway, that's it. Carl Galler Builds from Carl Galler, Carl Galler from Carl Galler Builds. Power pole blade 10-foot installation. I would call that a job well done. Thanks guys, see you later.